All right, hey guys, it's Matty from MMT-Certified. Well, oh my god. I'm with Aaron and Ninja. We've got a new pull-up bar at our work, which is pretty cool. And I want to teach these guys how to do some good pull-ups. Finally. Well, this guy's bloody tall as, so he's probably going to hit the ground. Show what it looks like on you. No. Yeah, so just even just hanging is probably almost more similar height now. So, can you do a pull-up from there?
Yes.
Nice. Yeah. Yeah, you got pretty good range of motion. That's awesome. Considering you can't even use your core as well as you could. Nice.
Oh, I feel my hamstring hurting.
Sick. Well, show your hamstring.
What do you reckon, Matty? How can I get better?
Well, first we probably need a bar that's high enough. I'll show you what the goal is. So, do you have a mic here?
Off, maybe?
Yeah. Yeah, cool. Yeah, I don't want to hit the microphone.
I'll be your mic man. I'll be your fluffer.
Cheers, mate. Right, normal pull up. Boom.
What?
Oh my god.
How good
Abs
is
to bar.
Abs to bar, yeah.
So it's good to get your chest to the bar, but obviously if you've got the power, then try and get as high as you can.
What?
And I have been doing lots of weighted pull-ups recently with this course that I've been making, and I think I've even got more explosive. I didn't think that was possible.
Course is out now.
Yeah, I've got a pull-up program. I've been making it for a while, but the last 6 months I've been going hard, and yeah, teaching good pull-ups, not the classic. You want to show us?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're the example.
That's why you got me in here.
Now he's going to give a real good one though. He's
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, it's interesting, but it's still pretty high.
I do that.
That's the classic. Yeah.
So what's that, like chin to bar?
That's just chin to bar. People just getting for the reps, not going for strength or power. Which if you want to get numbers, but
Have a fucking kip, mate.
yeah, have a fucking kid, mate.
So what are you feeling, Matty? Like, can you tell me what you're meant to be feeling so I could get higher? So I'm talking. Sorry. What?
I'm feeling pretty good today.
So what am I meant to be feeling?
Maybe we'll start treating you, and then we'll talk about it. I think that's good.
Okay.
We could be here for freaking ages.
You got your abs there though, bro.
Yeah.
How does he do that?
Power.
Give it a go. Give it a go, mate.
Yeah.
Abs to bar.
This guy's a big lank, so it's probably hard to get there.
That's a big wank.
All right, so you felt your hamstring, so we probably could treat your hamstring.
No.
Check your pegs. Can you do this? Can you get your fist? Yeah, so you got the range of motion, so that's what you need when you want good chest to bar pull-ups. You want clean range of motion, so your chest isn't so tight. But what do you reckon? Pecs or hamstring?
I kind of feel like it's like a scapular thing, maybe.
Yeah, where do you feel blocked if we were to?
I don't know. I feel like it could be coming from the fact that I can't really. Yeah, it feels like something here doesn't really flow as much.
Yeah, all right, could have a block there.
Try that.
Yeah.
Maybe you should treat each area for a minute or two, go back and test.
See what's
feel better.
Maybe see if he flies.
Yeah. I'm not talking to anything, am I?
There you are. Put your head down.
Where's your mic?
Yeah.
Oh, there.
Sorry, I set the camera.
Right. Bit of turkey going on over here. Show us yours, Nina. Have a look at Nina, Leo.
Go on. Oh.
Bit of pure white over there. Pablo Escobar. Oh,
She's been doing the program.
she's been on it, has she?
Yeah, she has actually. But she's already naturally pretty good.
Also, can we just shout out Leo, who made this rig for us during the week, behind the camera? Turn the camera around on you, Leo. There he is.
All right, what did you feel again?
I reckon just maybe down the scapulas.
Like inner, around the.
Yeah, like maybe down the laminar groove and then down the scap, and then we'll retest. What do you reckon?
Yeah. And then I'll show you some tips maybe of how you can improve.
What's your main? What do you think is the most important thing about getting a good pull up, Matty?
Well, in the course, there's probably two main chapters when you can already kind of do a pull up, but is getting your chest to the bar and using your core with it. But you need to be strong enough to be able to do that. So you're not only you're training that neuromuscular link of the actual good form, but you need the strength to be able to do it powerfully and Obviously, with years of doing, I've been doing this for like 7 years with pull-ups and ninja, so it's kind of given me this good foundation of having power, but also good range of motion. So those are the two pillars that you need.
Power and range of motion.
Yeah.
Right, because you get some people that might be actually quite powerful, but they're so restricted that they actually can't get there because they're too tight.
Yeah, well, like, mate, they could be really powerful in just a really short burst of range of motion.
Okay,
like
yep.
This guy. Show us what you got. There we go. That's a clear example. Give us another one.
Try and do a muscle up.
Yeah, try to do a muscle up.
Why not, mate? That's all they get it. Start your fucking motorbike up.
Yeah. Start the motorbike, the winging. Whereas when you're strong with full range of motion, you can really wind it up easily. Even though I've got wax in my hands. And this is like a strong pull-up. So once you've got that, muscle-up's a piece of cake. I don't even know how to do that with wax. Like, it should be hard.
Do you reckon someone like myself who is like so long in my limbs and have such a short torso, do you reckon mechanically, like...
It's harder.
It's, well, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not saying it's impossible, but like, would it borderline be impossible? I just have to work on it.
Yeah, I've actually been reading about this in Atomic Habits, where he talks about, like, we all have genetics. We should, like, things are going to be easier for others, and you should stick to something that you're good at, so then you can, so the habit's easier to do.
Okay.
Like, you know, I'm good at this stuff. That's probably why I do it. Why I've been doing it for so long. Yeah, for you, for starters, to find a bar that's high enough so your feet don't touch the ground is probably a challenge. Yeah.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. So, but we do know someone who's pretty strong and tall, and that's Ben Paulson, who won Ninja Warrior, and he's a tall guy, but he's strong and he's powerful. But you know, someone like him he's got setups where his feet don't touch the ground though. So yeah, if I was you, you have a nice backyard, you'd probably build a
rig, you reckon?
Build a rig,
yeah. Maybe
I
I
would totally
should
do that if I was you. We can teach you a muscle up.
Yeah, that'd be something to strive for. It reminds me of what you just said then. It reminds me of that whole... is it Einstein Ninja that had that quote, if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it'd always think it's useless, you know, spend its whole life thinking it's an idiot.
Yeah.
So it's almost like people that are trying to do things that are just so genetically hard for them are probably going to be quite disappointed a lot, aren't they? Like
I'm shit, yeah.
You know what I mean? So it's almost like it reminded me of that when that book you're reading said, stick to something you're good at, because then you'll feel probably good about yourself. Like.
Yeah, you keep doing it. That's very true. Very true. You have long arms, long legs. Like, I think we tested the range of motion for you. You've got to pull up probably double me, right?
Yeah. So that's what I mean. Like, if I have to actually move myself twice as much as you just to do a pull up.
Yeah.
To do a muscle up it's almost like I don't know, like I've got to
That'd be
work
interesting. Yeah.
4 times as hard. Like.
Yeah. For me, it's just like very short arms. Just got to get up. But you know, Leombe, our other practitioner, he
can do it quite well too, can't he?
Yeah, he's pretty good. You can tell he's strong overall everywhere. And with your deadlifts, for example, like you can lift heavier than me, and you've got to probably lift the bar.
True. So that probably
higher.
makes that it negates that, doesn't it?
Yeah. I feel like you just get strong with what you've got. So yeah. And also, when you on a higher bar, you can really integrate your core more, and you have probably not been able to do that as much because of all the bars that are too short for you.
Yeah, well, when I did it on this one and I had to bend my knees,
yeah,
I felt like, because when you do your good pull-ups, you get that pike, like your legs go straight, point your toes.
Yeah, it's all formed to it.
So I feel like that would help get your core on, wouldn't it?
Yeah. You learn to be efficient with your movement. Leo, our cameraman, likes the...
Is that your elbow?
Yeah. Leo likes the technique where you kind of dip your toes forward when you are doing that first bit of the muscle up, and then you wind it back up.
Full body tensioning.
Full body tension. It's pretty cool. You feel like you're preparing it, and you can really be tight when you want to go up. Whereas you, I don't know how the heck you'd be able to do it. And we can still do muscle ups without our legs, but for a beginner, it'd be good to start off with having that form.
Oh.
Hey, how's the back?
I'll retest it.
Retest now?
Oh, shit. Fucking hell.
Kicks the bolster off.
Oh.
Little flick there. And the sun is actually pretty strong right now. What's the time?
Oh.
What do you reckon? You feel like you're ready to get retested, or we're in a good spot there?
Well, my left arm might shoot me up all the way.
Oh, it's on, yeah, both sides. Let me just quickly do the right.
Oh. Oh.
Have you ever done a muscle up?
Me?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Mate, I'm probably the best at pull-ups I've ever been.
No.
So,
That's good. Very good.
I'm pretty light at the moment too, so probably...
Yeah, true. Aaron just finished you've done 2 fast now. Explain that.
Yeah, I've done 2 fasts in the last 7 weeks, so I've...
Spewed your guts out.
Yeah, I had a big purge during this one. And I was bringing up a demon that was inside of me, but
Nice.
I reckon when I started it like 6 weeks ago, I was like 87 kilos, and I reckon I touched 79.
Wow.
So I reckon I was in the 70s for the first time since like high school, which
That's
is pretty cool.
wild. And I'm like 71 kilos, so
That's pretty funny, isn't it?
the
Like,
fact that Aaron's so much taller than me, so that's pretty wild.
what did you get down to, Ninj?
69.5.
69.5.
80.6, so 11.1 kilos.
You were 86.
81.
80, okay, 81.6.
11.1 kilos.
That's wild. Anyway, shows how disciplined you blokes are.
Yeah, it
Pretty
was
good.
very hard. I just stuffed myself at breakfast just then.
Did you?
Yeah.
You go on full opposite now, full hog, just eat everything.
Yep.
Yep.
It is, isn't it? Beast mode.
Yeah.
Don't worry about beast mode.
It's beast mode, yeah. But it like good stuff though. Like try and it's not like you go back to eat crap.
Yeah, yeah. Whole Foods.
But it's funny. I bought all these new golf polos recently, and like they fit me so well. And then the last week wearing them, it's like they look so baggy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Really?
I got these board shorts that I love. They fit so flush.
Nice.
Went down to the beach on Tuesday, and they were literally falling off.
No.
Yeah, it's that stuff that makes you realise like sometimes you don't actually see it or feel it, but then you do stuff like that, and you're like, oh my gosh.
Clothing. No hiding from that. Okay. All right, let's do some pull-up games now.
I just muscle up?
Whoa. All right. So let's see if you feel that thing first in the back. Fluffer, you want to hold the mic for him? Oh, I've done that for chest test.
Ready, Matty?
All right.
Are you ready?
Oh my god. Yeah,
I actually felt better.
It felt like grabbing in the back.
It wasn't like it was grabbing. I just felt like I could get up more.
Cool. So the fact that Aaron's getting his chest to the bar is what you want. Now, if you this is a bit of the 2 cents that I've mentioned into the course, but let's say
free peak.
free content. Something called buddy assist pull-ups, which I've called anyway. I did it with my my sister a lot to get her initial pull-ups, but also good for people that just don't have that range of motion yet. So let's just say you were to hang on the bar. Yep, cool. And now just straight up, just power. And I'm just gonna just push Aaron that bit more, just so his chest touches the bar.
Oh yeah.
And when you get to the top, even like have a little bit of pulse where you like hold that for at least half a second,
Okay.
1 second, or the chalk's coming on. Still got chalk on your nose.
New bar. It feels like it's getting me calluses going.
Yeah, callus is another thing that you need for good pull-ups. Boom, hold, and then come down.
Yes, that was interesting. I didn't know where to put the tension.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
What do you mean? Where do you feel it?
When I got there and you told me to pull,
Yeah.
I felt like I had nothing.
Yeah, just pretend
know where it was.
pretend there's a like there was no
Because
grab.
I felt like all in here, so it's like I used my arms too much.
Yeah. Which is fine. Again, that good range of motion. You want to pretend
But
there's
it
like
felt like I needed to be more here in the back.
pretend you're squeezing an orange
Yeah.
between your shoulder blade. Yeah.
That was actually interesting.
The higher you go, the more you can do that. With
Okay.
chin over the bars, it's harder to do that. Yep. Cool.
Oh, so again, I feel like I don't use my shoulders in my
nipple
pull-up.
line now, bro. You're still around here.
Yeah.
Nipple line if you can.
Let's go one more, and I'll get you extra higher.
Go.
Some extra height.
Extra higher.
Extra higher.
Getting tired now. Oh, golly.
Nice. Cool. So even just doing like 3-4 pull-ups, which are, beautiful. They can be a lot harder than the classic. You can do 20 of those if you want, but you're not going to get better. You can get more reps from doing more strength and power training. People don't even realize that. But that's how I can do. I've done 50 pull-ups in one go, and they weren't good pull-ups, but they were just the classic chin over. But because I trained the strength and power, those were just piece of piss. So yeah, that's my pull-up video and introduction to the pull-up course.
So if you want to get better at pull-ups, you know where to go. What's it called, the course?
The pull-up playbook. It's going to be in the description, or you can watch even like free content on my Instagram or YouTube.
How much
is the course?
Yeah.
47.
$47.
Yeah, I put a lot into it. There's probably so much content it should be worth more, but I'd want to just put it at a price that isn't going to deter people, but still going to value it. So 47. Awesome. It's such good value for money. So
go check it out, guys.
Check it out.
Yeah. Good luck with it, Matty. If you want to get good pull-ups, this is your man.
Cool.
Thanks, guys.
See you later.
Be like Matty.
Pull up, Matty.
Get it done.
Pull up or something together. 3, 2, 1.
There's a big, good side-by-side comparison. This bar is just going to snap.
It actually might. I felt pretty good if 3 people can do that.
Yeah.
Strong, Leo.
Yeah, good.